Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change a birthday on Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, all you have to do is first of all open up your Snapchat app on your mobile phone. Right after that, simply go ahead, tap on your Bitmoji icon on top left corner of the screen. Now right over here you will be able to see your profile. All you have to do is tap on the settings icon on top right corner. Now you will find your account's information, including the birthday option right over here. So over here, if you would like to change it, if you have entered incorrect one, simply tap on your birthday. Now enter it accordingly. Once you're done, tap on continue. Now one thing that you have to make sure of, that there is a limit for the birthday to be changed. If you have reached the limit, then you won't be able to change it again and again. For that, if you have reached the limit, still you would like to change, then all you have to do is simply contact the support, aka the Snapchat support. Tap on I need help and scroll a bit, tap on this contact us option and simply submit a request and let them know that even though you have run out of the chances, you would like to add your correct birthday, and please let me know what can I do further. That is how you can solve your problem. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.